Good day. With my partner, we conducted a research entitled Problems Encountered in Teaching Multigrade Classes, Input to a Multigrade Strategies Action Plan. Most of the classes in our country are monograde classes. On the other hand, multigrade classes are also present because of the necessity, most especially in small schools with small enrollment. Teachers have to teach classes which are either combined grade 1 and 2, 3 and 4, or 5 or 6. At Lumampong Balagbag Elementary School, the total enrollment of school year 2019 to 2020 is 162 pupils. There are 5 teachers teaching monograde and multigrade classes. The researchers have been observed several problems which need attention and solution the soonest time, such as teaching strategies suited to the diversity of learner. Here are the questions that we need to answer with our research. First, what are the problems encountered by teachers in teaching multigrade classes at Lumampong Balagbag Elementary School? Second, what are the strategies used by the teacher in teaching multigrade classes? And last, based on the result, what teaching strategies action plan may be proposed by the researchers? In this research, it aims to determine the problems encountered in teaching multigrade classes, seek to determine the problems encountered by teachers in teaching multigrade classes, and strategies used by the teacher in teaching multigrade classes. Based on the results, teaching strategies action plans was proposed. Purposive sampling and descriptive method was used. The participants of this study was 5 teachers of Lumampong Balagbag Elementary School. The study was undertaken during the school year 2019 to 2020. For the methodology, we used the purposive sampling technique and descriptive method.
Results and discussion. Table 1 shows the problems encountered by teachers in teaching multigrade classes at Lumampong Balagbag Elementary School. The table shows the problems encountered by teachers in teaching multigrade classes which garnered weighted mean scores of 4 to 3.2. For pupil factor, first in rank was pupil misbehavior with 4 interpreted as strongly agree. It was followed by difference in competency level of pupils and the reading competencies with 3.8 weighted mean score. Numeracy competencies had also been a problem, although difference in age levels and pupils' diverse backgrounds got lowest scores among the indicators with 3.2 weighted mean. However, the scores also revealed that they are still problems. For teacher factors, balancing time was the number 1 problem, followed by teaching strategies used and norms of behavior in the second rank. Gap in the lessons was third, and planning, designing activities, and learning materials also counted. Length of time for each subject was also found to be a problem. Table 2 shows the strategies used by teachers in teaching multigrade classes. Among the strategies used, cooperative learning was the highest rank with 4 weighted mean score. It was followed by differentiated instruction, scaffolding, whole class teaching, and group teaching with 3.8 weighted mean score. Explicit instruction was also used as well as the 4 A's, self-directed learning, and even traditional methods. For pupil factor, pupil misbehavior would likely to be a problem since misbehaved pupils, especially those who display disruptive behavior, disturb classes. Teaching multigrade pupils requires silence and concentration on the part of the teachers and pupils. The difference in competency level of pupils, especially their numeracy levels and their reading competencies, affect the implementation of different teaching strategies and also the learning materials used. Although difference in age levels and pupils' diverse backgrounds got lowest scores among the indicators, they are still problems because these are also affect the flow of the lessons. For teacher factors, balancing time was the number 1 problem. which could be attributed to the limited time versus the difference in competency levels and the lesson itself being taught. Among the strategies used, cooperative learning was the highest ranked, which could be because in cooperative learning, a mix of different ages, competencies, and behavior is needed for success. Differentiated instruction, scaffolding, whole class teaching, and group teaching could also be effective strategies, although explicit instruction for a self-directed learning and even traditional methods had specific teaching materials which teachers could use. Conclusions. Results revealed that there were problems encountered by both pupil and teacher, generated factors like misbehavior, difference in ages, and competency levels and background. Strategies that utilize group work or collaborative work were the appropriate strategies for teaching multigrade classes. Thank you.